Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with another edition of Get Famous Friday PR Tips. As we are approaching April, I wanted to give you some content ideas, some pitching ideas for that month. April is Fair Housing Month. I know I'm connected to a lot of real estate agents, so how can you tie that into content and media pitches? It's International Customer Loyalty Month. Great way to engage and connect with your customers. For my designer friends out there, it's National Decorating Month. It is Physical Wellness Month. We all know tax day is fast approaching, but if your business can relate to taxes at all, whether you're an accountant, a financial planner, financial advisor, anything related at all to that, certainly something that you can talk about. This one's really a great one, and it happens 4 times a year. But on April 19th, it's National Get to Know Your Customers Day. What a great way to pick up the phone and get to know your customers or your potential customers. It's a great excuse to send them a little something to get yourself in front of them. April 22nd is Earth Day. Administrative Professionals Day, don't forget the people who help you, is April 25th. And last but not least, most important to all of us on LinkedIn, April 29th through May 5th is National Small Business Week. So there's a lot of great stuff you can use with that. So that is your PR tip this week. Hopefully you can use some of those, whether it's in your media pitching or your content. And I encourage you to join the PR Challenge, yourprchallenge.com, where you will learn how to do all of these kinds of things in 10 minutes a day to get massive visibility by getting media exposure. So I will see you next Friday with more PR tips. Have a great weekend.